Yeah, we are using our dumbbell, as a combat mode gym, and we have pinned this dumbbell on the product page of this live. It's not gonna be a very long one, man. No time, but I'm just showing you what you can use this dumbbell to do, how you can use it. That's what I'm showing you. So today I'm just going to talk about only this dumbbell. This one is a kind of let me say a product video. It's all about how to use this dumbbell. What am I actually doing with it? Then there's not going to be that much time today. It's gonna be straight to the point, man. Straight to the point. What do I want to show you? It's a combat mode gym, man. Today is Tuesday. We go to work. So what I use this dumbbell to do today is just to, energize my body. You understand? Anywhere or part of my body that I need to fix and be very strong, gotta be strong. You see, only this dumbbell can do that for you. This is why I call it's a combat mode. This thing I'm doing now, you can see how this dumbbell is helping me to, really build all the shapes right here. Okay, now it's not only the shapes right here, it's building all this, all these bones you see right here. It's building all at the same time. If you watch me, yeah, maybe you watch me or not, but if you watch me very well, you will see that while I'm doing it, right, you see that my legs my legs moving. Okay, you know what that is? My leg is moving while I was doing that. You see what that is still training the movement of the legs. So this gym, I call the title a combat mode because it is more or less like a combat mode gym. But what it's doing actually it's building all the body at a time. It's different from me sitting down doing this one. This one is maybe I'm just building building only these arms. When I finish doing these arms now, I will stand up now and do this one. Yeah, we have done this one. We have done all this in the past. I think in this past summer we did all those things, but now you see, now that's what I told you. This dumbbell is gonna make you stand up. This dumbbell is gonna make you stand up. I said, okay, stand up. You see my legs? But if you using this dumbbell also, please, you have to watch it. Always tight it very well. Okay? I don't have time for it much. That's why it's always loose. If I got time for it, I know what I would have done to, I would have put a band to really hold it properly. Check out this dumbbell. Okay, it's on the product page of this live. We're talking about this dumbbell. And today, maybe this video, that's the only thing I'm going to talk about. Yeah, because I got some things I want to talk about too. Maybe you've been seeing some videos yesterday of flashlight. I'm posting flashlight since yesterday. If you go watch my videos like 6 months, 7 months ago, you would have seen me reel on live like this where I was displaying that flashlight for you, right? If you've been following this channel, you will understand that what we're going to talk about in future, what I'm going to show you, I've already showed it in the past, maybe only one time. Now, I bought this dumbbell again because it's been a little while we show it on the product page like this. We're showing it today again because very soon we'll be coming to display that flashlight. When we bring the flashlight, we'll be talking about it on its own. For you who's talking about security, and you know this page, we talk about you being in good health, be strong, stand strong, build a good body, secure yourself, defense. You know, I told you a lot. I don't train for fashion, I train for defense. So if you look at someone like me, you will see that everything that has to do with security and defense is what is going to be right inside my own house. This is why